Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ground turkey enchiladas step by step. Start by browning 1 lb ground turkey with onion, garlic, chili powder, and cumin, then drain fat. Warm tortillas to prevent cracking, spoon filling, roll tightly and place seam side down. Top with enchilada sauce and 1:1. 5 cups shredded cheese. Bake about 20 minutes until bubbly and edges are slightly crisp. In this video, I will show how to make ground turkey enchiladas step by step. For juicy filling, sweat onions first, then add turkey and season well. Stir in a little broth or tomato sauce to keep mixture moist and prevent dryness during baking. Taste and adjust spices before filling tortillas. Let assembled enchiladas rest 5 minutes after baking so flavors settle and slices hold shape when served. In this video, I will show how to make ground turkey enchiladas step by step. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for great kitchen tunes and voice timers while you cook. It makes multitasking easier and more fun. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make ground turkey enchiladas step by step. Spoon measured filling into warm tortillas and roll snugly to keep shape. Arrange rolls in a greased dish and spoon extra enchilada sauce over the top for moisture. Cover loosely with foil and bake until heated through, then remove foil to brown the cheese and edges. Let rest briefly before serving to set the filling and make slicing neat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.